Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to the virtual class of biology. In the last class, we discussed about class Reptilia. We know that the class Reptilia are cold-blooded animals breathe with lungs. They have thick, dry skin with scale. Most of them lay eggs with shell, while no metamorphosis takes place. In subphylum Vertebrata, in which all kinds of birds are classified, is called class Aves. They evolved from the ancient reptiles. Here are few pictures of beautiful birds, although the birds are thousands of kinds. The birds are vertebrates and their body is covered with feathers. Mouth in bird is toothless and jaws are prolonged into beak. Birds' physical appearance is that they have wings and hollow bones for their flight. They are covered in feathers. Their body functions are that they are oviparous and have air sex. While the types of birds are two flying birds, for example, dove, pigeon, etc. Flightless birds, for example, penguin, kiwi, ostrich, etc. Features or characteristics of birds. Birds have wings and most of them can fly. They have light and hollow bones. They have feet and claws. They do not have teeth. Instead have beak which is used to tear, bite, chisel, crush and chew their food. Birds have streamlined body which help them to fly. Now we wrap up our lesson. We know that now the birds are warm-blooded animals, they are vertebrate and they have hollow bones. They have four-chambered heart, all have feather on their bodies, they lay eggs, they have scales on feet and legs. It's time to give you a home assignment. Write any six characteristics of class A's in your copies, and we hope so that you are taking full interest in biology classes. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.